Alexa, play Down by the Bay.
Welcome to Down by the Bay. When the singer asks if you've seen any animals down by the bay, you can suggest one. For example, try whale.
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I did, my mother would say, have you ever seen a
cat? Say cat.
Have you ever seen a cat?
Have you ever seen a cat swing a baseball bat down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow?
Have you ever seen a cat
I dare not go,
having
for if I did,
a baseball
my
bat?
mother would say, have you ever seen a
Mosquito.
Have you ever seen a mosquito eating a burrito down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I did, my mother would say, have you ever seen a...
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
How about a puppy?
Say no. Say it louder.
No.
How about a gnat?
Say yes.
Yes.
Have you ever seen a gnat big as a cat down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I did, my mother would say, have you ever seen a... Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I did, my mother would say, have you ever seen a...
I'm not sure.
How about a snake?
No.
How about a seal?
Frog.
Have you ever seen a frog posting to its blog down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow?
Alexa,
Back to...
stop.
Thanks for singing Down by the Bay. See you next time.